Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking on one of our most ambitious projects yet. We're heading deep into the forest to build a DIY treehouse, perched 16 feet high among the branches. This isn't just any build, it's a test of skill, patience, and our connection with nature. For the next 365 days, you'll join us on an incredible primitive building journey. We're not just building a treehouse, we're creating a sanctuary, a true escape from the everyday hustle. We'll be using a combination of modern techniques and ancient craftsmanship, relying heavily on the natural resources around us. The foundation will be key, ensuring our structure is safe and secure, high up in the canopy. We'll show you every step, from selecting the right trees and harvesting the timber to milling the wood right here on site. You'll see the raw logs transform into sturdy beams and planks, all using tools we've brought deep into the woods. One of the biggest challenges is getting all this heavy material 16 feet up. We've engineered a pulley system, a simple yet effective machine that will help us hoist the massive beams into place. Watching that first piece of the floor frame rise into the air is a moment of truth. It's where the vision starts to become a reality. We have to be precise, making sure every joint is perfect and every angle is true. Safety is our #1 priority, especially when working at this height. As the days turn into weeks, the structure really starts to take shape. The floor is down, and now it's time for the walls. We're designing this treehouse to have panoramic views of the forest, so large window openings are a must. We want to feel like we're a part of the canopy, not just looking at it. We'll walk you through the framing process, explaining how we create strong, stable walls that can withstand the wind and the elements. It's a slow and steady process, but seeing the walls go up is incredibly rewarding. It finally starts to feel like a real house. Now, let's talk about the roof. A good roof is essential to protect our hard work from rain and snow. We're opting for a simple, classic A-frame design. This not only looks great but is also very effective at shedding water and debris from the surrounding trees. We'll be installing the rafters one by one, creating the skeleton of the roof before adding the sheathing, and finally, the weatherproofing layer. This part of the build is a race against the weather, but the view from the top is absolutely worth it. But what's a house without a way to get into it? Building the staircase is a project in itself. We need something that is not only functional but also fits the rustic aesthetic of the treehouse. We'll be handcrafting the stairs from logs we've sourced from the forest floor, carefully cutting and fitting each step. It's the kind of detail that makes a project like this truly special. This staircase will be the gateway to our new home in the sky. As we get closer to finishing, it's time to focus on the details that will turn this structure into a cozy, livable space. We're building custom furniture, crafting a railing for the deck, and even installing a small wood-burning stove for those chilly forest nights. Every piece is made with care, using the resources the forest provides. This is where the creativity really shines, transforming a simple shelter into a personalized retreat. We're blending survival skills with a bit of modern comfort to create the ultimate off-grid getaway. This year-long journey is about more than just building a house. It's about connecting with the wild, learning ancient skills, and proving what's possible with a bit of determination and a lot of hard work. We're creating a home that drifts gracefully among the trees, a peaceful paradise built with our own 2 hands. It's a testament to the beauty of living simply and working in harmony with nature. Every cut, every nail, and every drop of sweat has been a part of this incredible adventure. And here it is, the finished treehouse, 16 feet high in the heart of the forest. From the initial dream to the final nail, this has been an unforgettable experience. Standing here on the deck, looking out over the endless trees, it's hard to believe we built this from scratch. It's a place of peace, a symbol of what you can achieve when you put your mind to it. We hope this build has sparked your imagination and inspired you to get out there and create something of your own. Thank you so much for joining us on this epic 365-day build. It's been a long and challenging journey, but sharing it with you has made it all worthwhile. Your comments and encouragement have kept us going through the toughest days. If you enjoyed watching this treehouse come to life, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more incredible primitive building projects. We've got so many more adventures planned, and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.